Hey guys, I want to show you real quick what we're going to watch Danny make today. A hose holder from our Etsy shop. Something simple but still fun to watch. If you're watching, say hello so I know who you are. Oh, hey Ryan. He is actually making a hose holder. If you weren't here in the very beginning of the video, I took a close-up image of the listing from our Etsy shop. Okay, so yeah, he has to walk clear across the shop, 34 feet across the shop to quench because we haven't had time to organize this yet. So he quenched just the end of it, not the whole thing, so that he could still move the radius part. So yeah, he could move his quench bucket over here, but like I said, we are like itching to get that smokestack up. You see that big old forge right here? He used it a couple times at his old shop, but it's been a while. Is the belt, what's wrong on it, Danny?
Okay, so the guy that's he helps me out, he does leather working. And so he's making me a belt for this. It's really cool. This is it's got a hand crank. So as we do that number, the clutch works, which spins the blower, so it can be a pretty big apparatus.
That's awesome. Is that the original belt down there? No.
No, that's a ratchet strap that failed.
Did you, like,
That's
you
a
rigged that
ratchet
up yourself, and that's what it was working on?
We've used industrial machine belts, we've had leather, we've had a lot of things.
Okay. So yeah, when do you think this will be?
I don't know.
That's just the golden question. We can't say. Yeah, Ryan, we do design basically everything that you see in our Etsy shop. If you haven't been to our Etsy shop, it's Vintin, vintin.etsy.com. And everything you see there is basically a design that Danny came up with. We also design all of our handrails. Buy it. If you made your own forge, post a picture in the comments. Oh, hey, Angela. You need to stop by. Watch Danny do this in person. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments. Ryan, what do you mean exactly? How hot does it get?
Ooh, that's a hot question.
Where's your heat zone picture?
Does what get?
I'm not sure yet.
Which part?
Well, how hot does the forge get?
The forge itself or the fire inside?
Do you know both?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the fire pit, he said. Which you call, what do you call the exact area that you put your...
Fire pot.
The fire pot, okay.
Hey, dunk this.
Okay. So like I said, I'm going to wait and do another live video when the smokestack is up in the roof. Which might be like a week or two or 3 or 4. It just depends on how things go. I'm not going to make any promises, but we're optimistic all the time. Especially if you want to see knives being made. Oh, that's awesome. Guys, this is my first time seeing Danny do this. I had not seen that before. Yep, Ryan said, do what you love and the money will come.
Yep. Even if it doesn't come, we do it anyway.
Yep.
Because we're hard-headed and foolish.
We are. And the more kids you have, the less money you have anyway. So I think it's working out okay. We're still technically poor. But rich in heart. And so what are you doing right now?
So the way we make this, we make the 3/8 square stock hook, and it goes through a sleeve, and we mount the sleeve to the base plate, which is this guy. Mm-hmm. It's just, it looked cool,
I can't
and
see
so
it. Yeah,
we've been doing it ever since. So basically, there's way easier ways to do what I'm doing right now. I could take the tubing and I could cut the back of it all the way, slide it down, and just weld it.
Yeah.
Be done with it. But it's kind of fun just to do things just to do it. And so if you heat the tubing up, it will expand big enough to just slide right over the square
Which you've
stock,
already done.
Which I did, so it's on there. But I'm trying to get the square stock to come through the tubing just a little bit.
So you're going to hammer it through some more.
But not the same way. I'm going to do it this way.
Okay.
And hope that I smack it good enough.
Is this the way you normally do it?
That's the way I normally do it.
Oh, okay.
Not fight it like this, but...
Is it because I'm standing here?
Nah, just because I haven't made one in a while.
Oh my gosh,
So,
that's awesome.
If you pop through, it looks kind of
Wow.
cool. But I kind of upset the end a little bit, so I'll come through now. I can grab it. I'm not using the right tongs for this, just because I don't have them.
You don't have them?
Nah.
You have like a million tongs.
Yeah, I always use what I've got.
Time to go back to Pennsylvania.
Yeah. So anyway, so that's basically square stock through the sleeve. Looks kind of cool, other than it's flaky because of what it is. We put big dimples in it.
Oh, that's awesome.
So we don't have to weld it. So basically what happens when we do this, for all of you that are watching, it can't slide out.
Oh my gosh, I
Because
didn't
the
know.
dimple, it's hot, bar stock's hot, this is hot, so you put a dimple in it, it kind of like puts
a
a dent
puzzle,
in it.
yeah.
And so now when I go and pull it off, it really will, the tubing will shrink around the square stock itself.
Okay.
Way,
So now it's locked forever.
and my stamp, touch mark, I sign my piece, which is upside down.
That had a VT for those who couldn't see it.
Then I will take this guy, plug load it on the back, so everything.
Are you getting ready to do that right now?
Yep.
Can I watch you?
But I want to grind this down real quick so you
Okay,
get the rust off.
I'm gonna watch.